Yo, Stacey, what are you doing?
Oh my god, go away with the camera.
Eclipse, are you joking? How old are you, man?
Oh, come on, it's a good book. It's a
12-year-old
good
kid.
book.
Smile for the camera, man. Smile for the camera.
Could you go away? This is so childish.
Jeez.
This is so childish.
Listen, you need to start reading older books now.
The test results came back positive.
What you told me there?
I just wanted to enjoy the moments we have together.
Hello? Well, I've been meaning to ask you out for dinner for a while now, so...
You haven't mentioned her in a while now.
I've decided to move on.